It's widely known, attempting to succeed with Amazon can be extremely challenging if you lack the necessary expertise. Of course, I'm sure you know exactly what I mean, but I've got a one-of-a-kind opportunity for you. Finally, a simple but proven way to cash in huge with Amazon. A straightforward and proven approach to generating significant results with Amazon that is simple to grasp. Amazon Affiliate Profits. Revealing the secret tricks for making six figures with Amazon the easy way. You will become a complete Amazon affiliate expert. Here's just a quick preview of what you'll discover inside. 7 important elements to consider that you didn't know about Amazon before. How can you generate revenue through the Amazon Affiliate Program? The top 4 reasons why Amazon affiliate marketing is the best choice for you. Step-by-step walkthrough for creating your Amazon Associates account without failing in the process. 3 verified approaches for discovering lucrative niche products as an affiliate marketer. Selecting some hot products to promote. Show you, step-by-step, the strategy behind selecting the hottest products in your niche. Creating an Amazon affiliate website and running with just a few clicks. For easy strategies for creating awesome product-oriented content for your affiliate sites. The most successful methods to promote your Amazon affiliate websites. Online tools that can help you to promote your Amazon affiliate website without having to worry about going over budget. Building an Amazon affiliate empire the right way. Elements that have allowed many people to leave their day jobs by building successful Amazon affiliate businesses. Amazon native shopping ads step-by-step crash course. Step-by-step guide for embedding an Amazon store into Facebook without spending hours doing so. Other Amazon affiliate marketing strategies to consider. Additional strategies that will allow you to go above and beyond your current Amazon affiliate efforts. Plus a whole lot more. You can begin seeing results extremely quickly. Within days and sometimes even within hours of getting started. The more you make this a part of your daily life, the better the results you'll get. This is the easiest way to actually make 6 figures with Amazon the easy way. Visit the link in the description box to check it now.